This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Highly desirable 3-bedroom/2-bath upstairs unit that enjoys tranquil lake view with wooded preserve beyond. This 1,857 square feet cormorant floor plan offers large living room with high ceilings, spacious island kitchen and great separation between master suite and front bedrooms/den. Newer roof, brand new AC and newer tankless water heater. The screened lanai has plenty of space for your outdoor enjoyment with exceptional views. The kitchen features granite counters. Remodeled master bath with frameless glass shower. Tile floors in main living areas with carpet in 2 BRs and luxury vinyl in den/bed number 3, which also has a built-in desk. Whole home water softener with kitchen and bath water filters for faucets. These units have a 1-car garage and a driveway for your parking. Located in the resort community of Colonial Country Club. Includes social/lakes membership that provides access to all community amenities plus pay-as-play golf. All community amenities have been just or recently refurbished in outstanding fashion. Colonial CC features a highly rated 18-hole golf course, clubhouse with dining, community center with full fitness center and classes, multiple pools, tennis, pickleball, bocce and more. This community boasts a convenient location, first-class amenities and a reasonable fee structure. Must see this impressive unit. For more information, review the details below.